Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open up Instagram app and then come to my profile right here. Now what I am going to do is to click on the plus symbol. So click on the plus symbol and in here I am just going to click where it says reel. So click on reel in here and then I am just going to select the reel and that I want to post. So I am just going to take this one just to demonstrate and then click on add in the top right corner and then click on next in here. And basically what I need to do in here, there is actually a couple of ways you can do this. I can click on the text icon in the top right corner as you can see, and then I can write the link in here. So I can write, for example, this link right here. But the problem with this is that it will not be like a clickable link. People can see that you have actually posted this link and they can go ahead and search for it themselves. But unfortunately it's not going to be like a clickable link. But actually what you can do is you can remove this one and you can click on the emoji symbol instead. So click on the emoji symbol in here and then you can actually write link in here. And then you can scroll down and for example you can check this one right here where it says link in bio, just as an example. And what you need to do after that is to click on the next. And you can also of course write the link in the caption right here, but unfortunately it's not going to be like a clickable link, and it's just going to be like they will see that you have written a link, but it's not going to be like a clickable link. Well, if you actually post this reel right here where it says link in bio, what you can do actually, because I am just going to go back to my start page again. So I'm just going to actually go back to this page right here and then click on edit profile in here as you can see. So click on the edit profile and then in here you can click here, it says add link, add external link, and in here you can just write the links. I'm just going to write just to demonstrate youtube.com and then click done in the top right corner. Just going to save here perfectly, and basically that is exactly how to do. So this is the way how you can add clickable link in your Instagram reel. Thanks for watching this video.